Introducing the 2015 McLaren P1.
The P1 comes with 903 horsepower coming from a 3.8-liter V8 with twin turbos attached to a hybrid electric system. For reference, your mom's minivan puts out roughly 250 horsepower. The McLaren using the same eco-friendly technology that the Toyota Prius uses to make it even faster. That's like weaponizing a wind farm. When you put your foot down, there's no delay. The car launches off. But as the car starts to increase in speed, the onboard supercomputer directs the gasoline engine to take over, while the combined horsepower of the electronic and gasoline motors may be 903 horsepower. The output of the gasoline engine needs to be calculated separately. The rotations per minute of the gasoline engine is 750 horsepower, and the engine produces 531 pounds per foot. When we multiply the RPMs and the torque and then divide by 5,252, we get the horsepower of the petrol engine on its own, which is 758 flamin' horses.
One of the things that makes the McLaren P1 able to accomplish everything that it does is because of the advanced aerodynamics. The bodywork is shrink-wrapped as tightly as possible over the mechanical hardpoints of a car, and the cockpit sits right at the center. This approach helps to reduce frontal surface area, but also makes it easier to manage airflow over the surface of the bodywork and into the engine's roof snorkel intake and to the active air components. It looks awesome and it works very efficiently. One of the engineers who created this said, "I wanted to take out as much visual weight as possible, to have a car that was really lean, a car with absolutely no fat between the mechanicals and the skin. It's as though we stuck a tube inside and sucked all of the air out, a dramatic, honest shape, but also a very beautiful one. It was all part of the engineering and design approach to fanatically take out the weight." The importance of a high-speed stability means that the McLaren P1 has been designed to produce more downforce than any other road car. Movable front and rear wings can produce a peak of 600 kilograms of downforce in race mode, increasing both grip and driver confidence. The rear wing also incorporates Formula One inspired DRS drag reduction system, which reduces the wing's element angle to 0 degrees when the DRS button on the steering wheel is pressed, reducing drag by 23%. The IPAS electrical assistance system is one of the most powerful hybrid powertrains ever fitted to a car, and has been designed to take on the grueling challenge of sustained track use. Active aerodynamics means that the McLaren P1 can maximize downforce and reduce drag, and the RCC Race Active Chassis Control system gives the chassis unprecedented adjustability.
As of right now, the McLaren P1 sits as the king of hypercars, thanks to its British engineering and its cutting-edge 21st century technology. Who the next king of hypercars will be, we don't know, but thanks to the McLaren P1, the future looks fast.